Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Provec Engineering and Food Processing Private Limited. Today in this video we are going to demonstrate about floating fish feed making machine. Yes, floating fish feed making machine, which is usually called as an extruder. The machine which you can see in the video is a single screw extruder. There are two type of extruder, single screw extruder and the twin screw extruder. The cheapest is the single screw extruder, which we normally suggest for the farmers or the small entrepreneurs who want to start their business or those who want to make their feeds themselves at their farm. So now we can see in this video there is a single screw extruder. Currently the extruder which we are showing you in this video is of 20 HP, which can produce around 100 to 150 kg per hour floating fish feed. Yes, this extruder can make 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm and 5 mm size of feed. Also, this extruder can make all configuration of floating fish feed like 28 protein 4 fat, 32 protein 5 fat, 40 protein 5 fat and all other varieties of the feed can be made easily using this extruder. The smallest extruder which we have in our factory is 25 kg per hour, which is available with 7.5 HP power, main motor power, and then we have 50 kg per hour, 100 kg per hour, 150 kg per hour, 250 kg per hour, 300 kg per hour, 500 kg per hour, and 1000 kg per hour. The popular one is 50 kg per hour to 250 kg per hour, which is usually much popular between the small entrepreneurs and the farmers who want to make the feed at their farm. Now we shall understand about the fish feed making machine. The machine has three motors. One is the main motor, which is known as the main thrusting motor. Another is the feeding motor, which feeds the powder material to the extruder barrel. And another is the cutting motor, which cuts the puffed pellet into a round pellet shape. So now the three motors combination along with the well defined panel, automated panel, which is having VFD, variable frequency drives, can produce all kind of feed from 1 mm to 5 mm as per your desire. Now the main technology is that the material get puffed inside the barrel when we force it using the screw, and when the material comes to the die it expands and convert into a puffed material. So that is how we make the puffed pellet from the extruder. All the material of screw barrel and the die is of high configuration so that it can withstand with the pressure for a longer time. Also the machines all parts are hardened in a factory furnace. Now we shall discuss about the recipe of floating fish feed. So for making a floating fish feed we must be have at DORB, oil rice bran, soybean DOC, mustard DOC, rice bran, rice polish, wheat flour, mash flour, fish meal, meat bone meal and bone meal at our factory. We can have various combinations of all this material to make different combinations of floating fish feed ranging from 20 protein 4 fat to 42 protein 5 fat, and we can easily make these pellets following different steps. First we have to mix all this raw material and then we have to crush them and we have to get a final powder form which ranges from 40 mesh to 80 mesh depend on the pellet size like 1 mm to 4 mm. Then we have to mix this powder with water and medicines in a mixture where we will mix them for 20 minutes, and further we will pass this powder with water to extruder machine which you can see in the video, and here we will convert this powder into a pellet. Now the pellet which is coming from the extruder has a moisture of 18 to 20%, which is not safe for keeping the material for a longer time. So we have to reduce the moisture or water content, and for that purpose we use dryer where we dry the product till 10 to 12% moisture. Now this material is safe for storage. Further we have to cool it to the room temperature by using cooler, and last step we spray fish oil or the combination of fish oil and edible oil over the pellet to create a good aroma in the pellet so the fish can easily catch it. Now let's talk about the profit. If we are going to make the feed at our own factory or a farm, we can easily save 5 to 6 rupees per kg making the feed at our own farm. Just you have to do that, you have to buy a good quality raw material at your farm and you can easily make the floating fish feed at your own farm or factory. Don't delay. Reach our factory at Pune, Agra, Kota and Guwahati. Order your machines and we can deliver your machines in 1 to 1.5 months. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like and comment this video. Also, you can contact us on our number 7073642737 by WhatsApp or call. Also, you can see more details at our website www.provekengineering.com. We are 24/7 available for any kind of consultancy. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.